Okay, here's the equipment for our experiment number 9, part 2 of kinetics. You see we set up a hot water bath with thermometers in both our test tubes. We also have our concentration of dye from our lab and our stock 1 bleach solution. And of course, our friend, the Spec 20. We will be testing our percent T for 4 different temperatures. After we've tested them, you will then plot as we have done before, and I'll show you on the board what we did as a reminder. Our time versus the ln of dye. I think all of you got the ln of dye being the first order for the dye reaction. You should get a graph that looks similar to what I have on the board. Remember to put time on the x-axis. Some of you messed up and put time on the y-axis, and that flops your graph right around, changes your slope and makes a mess. So don't do that. Put time on the x-axis. Once you have determined your value for K from the slope of the graph, you can then do an Arrhenius plot that looks like this. So in the Arrhenius plot, you're going to plot 1 over temperature on the x-axis versus ln of K, the K that you found over in the left side of my board. And you should get another graph with a slope that looks like y equals mx plus b. That slope will tell you the activation energy, which was our goal for the lab.